Hi guys, and welcome back. Well, I just got a sign on my Sundial options. I was able to get Sundial shares at a discount. In this video, I'm going to show you how that's done. But before I continue on, just want to let you know that I am not a financial advisor. This is only for entertainment educational purposes only. I also started a Patreon Discord page where I'm trying to find like-minded people like myself to share ideas and find ways to grow our portfolios together. I will also be sharing my trades with you as well. If you are interested, check out my link down below. We already have 40 members in there already, and there are a few people who are learning how to sell options. So let's get started. Sundial closed at $149. Well, I sold cash secure puts at $150. So when we're selling cash secure puts, we either want to just collect the premiums, don't care about the stocks, or we want to get the stocks at a discounted price. Selling cash secure puts, it's essentially setting a buy limit. When you set a buy limit, you usually set it below the strike price. So let's check this out. This one expired yesterday on March 19th. This was a $150 strike price. It doesn't really say how much I received because I already got assigned, but we take a look at my orders. We go down here. This was filled on March 5th. We take a look at the average fill price, -3 at 0.51. What that's saying is I sold 3 contracts. I received $51. And I got $51 because there's 100 shares in one contract. So we multiply 100 times 0.51. So in this case, I was able to collect $153 in premiums because I sold 3 contracts. So with selling these cash secured puts, you do need to put up the collateral. So in this case, I had to put up $450. So as long as $450 is in my account, I would be able to place this trade. So what your brokerage will do is put that money aside just in case that you get assigned. And you would only get assigned if the stock price closes at 150 or below. Even if it's at 149, you would get assigned. And that's exactly what happened to me. If we take a look at Sundial's chart, it closed at 149, 1 cent below my strike price. I received an email here and it says, "We want to let you know that your account ending in 6084 has been assigned the following position." We have 1 United, so that was a cover call that I got assigned. 1 Neo, so 51, I got assigned. And 3 Sundial, 150 put. I had to buy 100 shares at $1.50. Even though the stock closed at 149, but I was able to collect a $51 premium, which reduces my cost basis to 99. So now on those 3 contracts, I had to buy 100 shares. So now I have 300 shares of Sundial with an average cost of 99 cents. So I'm not down 0.01. I'm actually up $50 on those 3 trades. I was able to essentially get the stock at a discount. What we want when we want to get assigned is for the stock to close at 0.01 below the strike price. In this case, it did. So now I have a total of 1,400 shares. I had 1,100 shares and I just got assigned 300 more shares, which I'm very happy about because I am very bullish on Sundial. I do think this stock can easily go to $5 by the end of this year. So all we have to do now is accumulate the shares and be as patient as we can. Because if we're not patient,
we're just going to miss a lot of opportunities because we want to make money fast. In the stock market, yes, you can make money fast, but for me, it's about finding a good opportunity stock and just waiting for it to go up. Sundial was not trading $1 for a very long time. Let's take a look at this yearly chart. For a very long time, it was trading below $1 since July. So think about all those people that waited. And then it finally hit $1 January 28th. So from July to January 28th, there was no movement and even went down to 0.138. It could be very frustrating, but if you know what the company actually does, what they stand for, then you shouldn't worry about the short-term volatility. There's going to be turbulence short-term, but in the long term, it's going to grow, especially Sundial. And now that there's so many countries, so many states legalizing it, this stock can only grow from here on out. So let's take a look at the 3-year. So it was trading at $13.22, 2019. So maybe in a couple years, it'll get to $13 again. Who knows? But right now, I'm just going to go ahead and keep selling cash secure puts as much as possible and try to get the stock at a discounted price. So for next week, what we can do is go to options. We can check out the 26 strike price. So for the 150, I'll probably sell 150 again. But this time, the premium is not as high. And that's because the implied volatility is not high. So when we're looking for options, we want to be able to find one that has a high implied volatility. But still, it's not bad. $10 is what we're going to receive. And the only way to truly understand cash secure puts, selling options, is by just doing it. You have to sell your first option. If you guys want any help in selling your first option, let me know in the comments down below. I can try to help you as much as possible, and also do consider joining the Patreon Discord page. We do have members in there that just started selling options, and they made money off of it. It's a no-brainer. You get the premium. You use this money to buy shares that you want. Thank you so much for watching, guys. And do consider joining the Patreon Discord page. We already have 40 members in there that's always willing to help anyone to become a better investor and trader. And I also do share my trades on there.
And I am just trying to find people where we can talk about stocks, cryptocurrency, and options, and just growing as a community and growing our accounts together. Trading, investing can be lonely, and you just want to be able to do it with a community. So do consider joining the Patreon page. Thanks so much.
Hi there. If you are interested in helping out the channel, you can sign up for Webull if you haven't already. They are currently offering 2 free stocks now. It used to be 4, so you don't want to wait until it gets to 1 free stock or no stocks at all. So you get 1 free stock when you open up a Webull account. And when you deposit $100 or more, you get 1 more free stock, which is valued between $8 and $1,600. And if you are transferring from another brokerage, they will reimburse you the fees up to $100. And you will also receive a complimentary 3-month subscription to Level 2 Events NASDAQ Total View from the day you sign up. So guys, what are you waiting for? 2 free stocks are waiting for you. Thanks again.